There's been a lot of talk this week about the Mallacht, or Irish curse. And whether you believe in them or not, shush giel that. You see, Fado, an O'Shea man, an ancestor of mine, bought a Mallacht upon himself and all the O'Sheas. He was from Valentia Island, but this particular curse relates to the waters around its neighbour, Beganish. And so what did I decide to be the smart thing to do but head away out there for the first time with this Farwassil, whose surname is, you guessed it, O'Shea. Well, during a time of hardship, the O'Shea man caught a baby seal, killed it and ate it, something that was highly taboo at the time. And as the story goes, the seals vowed that when one of his descendants went into this water, they'd eat them. Now, I wish I had a better camera for this, but honestly, up till this point, I hadn't thought about the Mallacht at all. Not until right now, when I saw a seal slowly approaching. So I left in a really calm and relaxed and manly fashion. And that seal did not take its eyes off us until we were on our way again. Just a curious seal, or our mallachtaí real? Let me know what you think.